Hey everybody, hope you guys are healthy and safe. So I've covered Infinix quite a bit over the past 2 or 3 years. Like I went to a couple of their launches and I've reviewed some of their smartphones. And the impressions I have for Infinix is that it is an upstart brand eager to make a splash on the global market. And they want to do so by offering products that kind of think outside the box a little bit and offer you more value than everybody else. Like the smartphones come with more accessories than any other phone that I've seen. And so in today's video, I have partnered with Infinix to introduce the 2 new products. This is the Infinix GT30 Pro, a gaming phone, and the Infinix XPAD GT, a gaming tablet. The prices for these guys vary according to region, but generally it's about US $300 for the phone and about US $350 for the tablet. These are like the average prices taken from different regions. And in typical Infinix fashion, these products offer specs and hardware above their price point. But it's not just about value this year. So these 2 products are part of Infinix's GT Verse, an ecosystem of products designed to boost your mobile gaming experiences. The ecosystem includes a laptop, a smartwatch, a set of earbuds called the GT Buds 4. The 2 devices I have here, a power bank named GT Power, and also accessories like a GT Mag case and a GT Mag Charge, which is a cooling fan. Infinix understands the needs of young mobile gamers, that they're not stuck in one spot, they're not just going to sit at home all day, they're on the go. So the GT Verse is designed to cover the gaming needs no matter where they're at. In fact, Infinix's GT series has become the official mobile phone of PUBG and Mobile Legends Bang Bang in some regions of the world, because Infinix has been sponsoring esports tournaments in certain regions in order to kind of champion the mobile gaming movement, cultivate a gaming culture, and also probably gain more fans into Infinix's GT Verse. Okay, before we look at these 2 products, let's do a quick unboxing. So both devices come packaged with more accessories than other brands offer. For the GT30 Pro, not only do you get a 45-watt charger and a case, you also get a set of wired earbuds. For the XPAD GT, you not only get the tablet and charger, but you also get a very nice folio case included with the package, and also wired earbuds and a 3.5mm to USB-C adapter. You'll notice both of these devices share a similar design language, this metallic cyber mecha vibe. In fact, this tablet's body is crafted out of the same aluminum alloy that Huawei uses for their MateBook series, so it's very premium material. Let's take a look at the GT30 Pro first. This one's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate. It's an efficient 4nm silicon with flagship level memory and storage speeds, ideal for gaming. You have a 6.78-inch completely flat screen that is easier to hold than a curved screen, and it is a beautiful AMOLED panel with refresh rate that gets up to 144 Hz. Around the back, you have 4 LED light strip that adds a little bit of flair to the design, but it also comes in handy. You can set it so it flashes when you have an incoming notification. So if you have your phone face down on the table, you won't miss a text message. There's also a 108 megapixel camera along with an 8 megapixel ultra wide. Because this phone's designed for gaming, there are also capacitive buttons on the right side of the phone, but when you hold it sideways like this, they become shoulder triggers. Infinix called the buttons GT trigger. These are not actually clicky buttons, but pressure sensitive panels with very nice haptic feedback to simulate the effects of a tactile button. Like when you press into it, you actually feel a little bit of haptic feedback, even though nothing is moving. To get shoulder triggers in a device of this price is impressive, because other gaming phones with shoulder triggers, they usually cost like double the price. There's a large 5500 mAh battery in here, up to 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage. All in a sleek body that measures just 7.99mm thick and weighs 188 grams. All this for around $300. Impressive. In fact, if you compare it to other devices out there like the Honor GT or the Poco F7, like those devices cost a little bit more and they don't even give you gaming triggers. The XPAD GT meanwhile offers a 13-inch 144Hz LCD display that can display 10-bit colors with HDR10 support. The tablet's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, a proven silicon that's still pretty capable today in 2025. And then you have a large 10,000 mAh battery in here, and an excellent 8-speaker system symmetrically located on the left and right side that pump out really loud audio. In fact, this tablet supports 3D sound with DTS processing. So the fact that Infinix includes a folio case with the package is very nice because it offers the tablet protection when it's not in use. The flap covers the screen and also can prop up the tablet. So Infinix's idea with the XPAD GT is to offer gamers a device that sits in between their mobile phone and their laptop, because for a lot of gamers, if they're at home, they will be gaming on their laptop. And then if they're actively on the go, like on a bus or on a train, they will be gaming on the phone. So the tablet kind of sits in the middle when they're outside somewhere but have a little bit more space, like at a coffee shop. Then they can pull out a tablet and have a larger screen, a better gaming experience. So this device kind of offers a middle ground between the laptop and the phone. There's one more piece of hardware I have to show off today. This guy, the Mag case and the Mag Charge Cooler. So this is a case that snaps onto the phone. It protects the phone on all four sides, but yet leaves the GT trigger area open. And then there's this guy. Basically, it's a magnetic wireless charger. It snaps onto the back of the case like this. And then there's a USB-C port down there. Just plug it in. The fan will boot up to cool the phone and also help airflow. And then there's also a really cool LED light animation too, because gaming phones all need LED lights. Now the GT30 Pro, even without the Mag Charge Cooler, has a very efficient cooling system built into the phone that's designed to offer high performance while keeping cool, because it is a 3D vapor cloud chamber cooling system. A cooling plate plays underneath the phone's chipset, so it helps lower temperature by up to 3 degrees Celsius. In fact, I ran that 20-minute stress test in the app 3D Mark, and this phone scored very high with very respectable stability. And this is all done without the fan, just the phone by itself. But then of course, if you're a hardcore gamer, you want to snap on the fan to cool the phone to another level just to keep performance tip-top without any throttling. This guy weighs just 78 grams, so it's very easy to take with you anywhere. It fits into a pocket, so it's like a nice companion to give your phone that extra boost of power when you need it. The GT trigger, as I mentioned earlier, are shoulder buttons that drastically improve the gaming experience, especially when you're playing first-person shooters. Both the GT30 Pro and the XPAD GT offer X-Boost AI, a personal game control center powered by Infinix's suite of AI powers. So basically, you can bring up the XBoost AI menu with a swipe from the upper left corner, and then from there, you can customize the shoulder triggers. You can free up memory in the background. You can grab a screenshot, record audio, open an app in a smaller window. Just do a lot of things to help your gaming experience without getting into the way. And then speaking of AI, of course, both the phone and tablet offer Infinix's one-tap AI solution. So this one-tap, it's called Folax, is Infinix's digital assistant, and it is super smart because it combines power from not just ChatGPT, but DeepSeek. So the two biggest AI chatbot out there are combined into Folax, and with that, you can ask Folax to do a lot of stuff that even Google Assistant and Apple Siri cannot do. For example, I love asking Folax to immediately identify what's on my screen, so I can ask Folax to translate a text that I don't understand to English, for example. Or I can ask Folax to tell me what type of cat I'm looking at, or I can ask Folax to tell me what the scene is, like what city is it at. And Folax can do all this in just a few seconds. But then of course, if you're immersed in a game or watching a movie, the bigger the screen, the better. So when I'm stationary with a little bit more room to maneuver, I like to whip out the XPAD GT to do my gaming and watching movies. It's become one of my favorite on-the-go entertainment device when I'm at a coffee shop, or even when I'm just laying in bed. Even if you're not a gamer, this tablet, it's more than capable enough as a productivity machine. In fact, I wrote a couple of articles with this tablet yesterday. Considering the price point of both of these products, I think Infinix has once again built something that it's a very attractive package. For the GT series in particular, this is like powerful gaming device for gamers without charging them top dollar. So this opens up mobile gaming to a wider audience, because you don't have to be someone who can afford to pay $1,000 to be able to have a gaming device. You can have a gaming device at the $300-400 US range, which is more affordable. And I think what it does is it will open up mobile gaming to a wider audience, particularly in some regions, they might not have as much spending power as the US. So those people, they might not be able to afford like $1,000 US for a gaming phone. So what Infinix is doing, it's making devices more affordable to all, so there'll be more mobile gamers. So I think right now the GT Verse is already off to a really good start, but I think Infinix is going to keep growing the GT Verse with more hardware. I'm guessing, we're probably going to expect something like gaming controllers or desktop mounts, maybe even superior AI moving down the road. So if you're a gamer, the GT Verse is a very exciting development. So yeah, that's about it for this video on the two newest products in Infinix's GT Verse. I have a lot more content coming, so stay tuned and please subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you to Infinix for sponsoring this video. Thanks for watching.